Andwin Tech channel. Today I'm going to show you in this video how to fix Google Chrome not opening problem in your Android phone. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Google Chrome is not opening in your Android phone, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open your settings. Just tap on the settings. You need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here apps. Just tap on the apps. If you find any manage app option, just tap on the manage app option. You can see I doesn't have any manage app option. In my mobile it will show as see all apps. Just tap on that. Here you need to find Chrome. Just tap on the Chrome. Once you have to tap on the force stop, just tap on the OK. After that you can see here storage and cache option. Just tap on that. Once you need to tap on clear cache. After that you can see here clear storage. Just tap on the clear storage. After that you can see here last option clear all data. Just tap on the clear all data and tap on OK. After that then go back. Open your Google Play Store. Then search for Chrome. If you find any update for your Google Chrome, then update it from here. Now you can see the update has been completed. Then go back. That's it guys. After doing all these settings, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.